If you don't like slow nature docs, bye Shatigida Bronde. But still love jaw-dropping action, then watch lions hunt. No CGI, just muscle. And math. Bonus, teamwork that actually works. Lions hunt like a planned heist. Females do the heavy lifting. Stalking in shadow, closing the gap without a sound. One distracts, another flanks. When the timing hits, boom, they explode on the prey. Speed, surprise, strategy. That's the formula. It isn't pretty every time. Sometimes it's a miss. Sometimes a chase flips everything. But when it works, it's brutally efficient. Respect the pride. Coordination beats lone glory every time. Want more wild tactics? Stick around for the next clip.